Hey everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started standing up, taking some deep breaths. Let's close our legs together as we sweep our arms up overhead, touching at the top. Take a big inhale. Lower your arms down on your exhale. Again, we circle our arms all the way up. This time you clasp your hands together but point your index fingers up, coming into a steeple grip. And let's just bend right and left a few times, keeping those arms straight. Come back to center as you take a deep inhale. Exhale, half moon to the right. Shift your hips over to the left. Upper body leans over to the right. Shining your chest forward, keeping the arms straight, squeezing the inner thighs. Maybe you go a little bit deeper and back to center. Big inhale in through your nose. Exhale, half moon to the left. Arms are next to your ears. You're breathing, squeezing the glutes, the inner thighs. Maybe you sink a little bit deeper, straightening the arms a little bit more, and we stand back up. Let's drop our head back. And now your arms meet your head. So you start to go into a little back bend, or maybe you go a little bit deeper, looking back, reaching back, going into a back bend, and you stand. Engage your core, keep your arms at your ears as you slowly lower down with the flat back all the way down. Take your time into a forward fold as you shake your legs out. And now you bend your knees as much as you can, grabbing your feet from behind. So you grab the back of your heels, or you just grab the back of your legs until you can reach the heels. Keep your stomach on your thighs as you begin to straighten your legs, lifting your hips, continuing to pull on the heels, bringing your nose to your knees one day. Can you straighten your legs a little bit more? Release your heels, coming back to that steeple grip with straight arms, and you slowly make your way back up and release your arms. Maybe you shake the arms out. Open your legs hip width distance, raising your arms in front of you, and sit your hips back into a chair pose. Relaxing your shoulders, reaching forward. The weight is in your heels. Can you sink a little bit lower? And you stand. Coming high onto the tippy toes this time, lifting the heels. And we go back down into our chair. If you fall out, you get right back into it. We're just practicing. And we stand. Relax the heels back down. And one more time, you just sit your hips back into your chair. Maybe you go a little bit deeper this time. And you stand. Release your arms. And let's just swing our arms front and back. And then the swings just get a little bit bigger, just letting go of any tension you might be feeling. Let's turn to face the long side of our yoga mat, opening your legs wide. You bend your right knee, and now you bend your left knee. Just getting any kinks out the body. Again, right knee, and you bend your left. Let's straighten our legs as we reach all the way up and back for a wide-legged forward fold. Maybe you grab behind the heels or the ankles or the legs as you try to pull yourself through the legs. The crown of your head is reaching down. Slowly roll your way back up to standing. Your head is the last thing to come up as you send your hips to the left and forward and to the right and back. And let's do that hip circle again. And let's take our hip circles the other way. Close your legs together as you circle your arms up overhead, touching at the top, bringing your hands to heart center for a deep inhale in through your nose, and you let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.